I'm over here at Costco. Look at what I got. Musa King Durian. I went crazy with it. So $17 a box, about half a pound, 400 gram, 14 ounce. 16 ounce is 1 pound. So this is shy, two ounces shy of a pound. $17. This is ice durian that I bought from Costco. Comes in this bag, and it's a monton. Supposed to be. I guess it says fresh durian. So let's see how fresh it is. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of packaging pieces. So I guess it's it's $54 for this durian. A very strong smell, like rotten onion smell, but it does look really fresh. You know, like because the spines here, they're not dry. It looks pretty fresh. So it's not a frozen durian. It's supposed to be a fresh durian that ships from all the way from Thailand. It has a really strong smell. So if you're gonna buy this, make sure you open it outside, not inside the house, because it has a super strong smell to it. Let's see. So $55. For some reason, it seems like this already been frozen and they just thawed. I don't know. A bit overripe, because I think I can taste the acidity. A little bit overripe. Oh, $55 versus Musa King ice cream from Costco, Durian from Costco, and 17 bucks, not bad. And also, this is what you need: ice cream from Costco as well, vanilla. Take it, and we just mix it together. So I should be wearing gloves, but since I'm gonna be eating it myself, don't matter. The Musa King is so good when you mix it with ice cream. So use Musa. I don't like use matong. I'm not a big fan of matong ice cream. Durian at all. The seed of the Musa King is big, and sometimes it's very small. So mix it all and then put it in the freezer, and it will taste delicious. And that's it. Very simple step. Nothing difficult to it. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. Durian ice cream. The durian ice cream that I made, and wow, it smells so strong. The durian flavor, you can smell it, really strong. So the good thing about making your own ice cream, durian ice cream like this, is that you can see the durian right there. So when you do it yourself, mix it yourself, you can actually see the durian, chunks of durian. So you know it's real durian. So I like to use the Musa King variety is because it's much stronger in flavor than the Montong. Oh, the Montong is it's just mild. I'm not a big fan of Montong at all. So here you can see chunks of durian, real Musa King durian. So price wise, I think it's better to make it yourself like this because it's much cheaper, and you know you get the authentic durian and not some kind of coloring or flavors, you know, enhancer. So it's very easy. This ice cream, durian ice cream, it's delicious, yummy. Oh, there's a big one right there. See that one there? That's a big one. Let's see, where is it? Right there. That there is a big one. And then I saw a couple more. Oh, on this side. Let's see. Oh, right there. Up there. Let's see. Let's zoom in. That one right there, I think. Let's see. There, right there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Right there. That one right there. Oh, another one down here too. Right there. So there's a couple of them. I'm gonna go pick them for dinner tonight. So there you go. This one has